you're told if you don't send your kid to college, you're failing them. So you do the right thing. You save, you sacrifice, you pay the college. And 4 years later, your kid graduates into debt, a Bachelor's of Arts degree in an economy that no longer needs them. That's not an education. That's a negative ROI. And in the AI era, it's getting worse. College used to be a must-have before AI, before automation, before intelligence became cheap. Today, college is no longer a guaranteed investment. It's often a financial liability. In this video, I'm going to show you why sending your kid to college may end up being the biggest financial mistake you've ever made and an enormous waste of time in the AI era. Looking at this chart, you see the gray dotted line? That $300,000, it just sits there. It's flat. It does nothing, right? But if you have a CAGR of 20%, that $300,000 in 4 years would be $622,000. And with a 30% CAGR, that $300,000 in 4 years would be $857,000. And this, the hopium CAGR, let's say your CAGR is 40%. That $300,000 is 1.1 million. So, do you want to send your kids to college to get a Bachelor of Arts degree in liberal arts of whatever? A Bachelor of Arts in forestry? Well, actually, forestry may be a good major in the age of AI because computers, AI can't really, attend to these trees. But let's say I went to Berkeley to get a data science analytics degree. Okay, AI can code in seconds. All right, analytics, bye-bye. CPA, bye-bye. Lawyers, bye-bye. Bitcoin just doesn't hold value. It multiplies optionality. It gives you options. And here's the part parents miss. This isn't about being rich. It's about not destroying capital, about being efficient with your capital. And in the age of AI, it's about giving you options and surviving, because not to be a doomsayer, but a lot of jobs are going to be eliminated in the next 5 years. We're really going to see a big crippling of employment. I hate to say it, but a lot of these cab drivers, they're in trouble. Let's start with a number no one wants to say out loud. A 4-year degree from a top university, think UC Berkeley, all in costs about $300,000. That includes tuition, room and board, and miscellaneous fees. And this doesn't even include the time lost, the 4 years lost. Now here's the key question. What happens to that $300,000 over the 4 years? I'm Tommy. If you're in your 40s and 50s or just tired of the fiat grind, hit subscribe and share this channel with a friend. If you really want your child to survive the age of AI, what's coming? Buy Bitcoin instead, not financial advice. College locks your child into the past economy, funds their future options. AI doesn't care how much you paid for your kid's education, or if they even got one. It only cares whether you're still useful. What skills do you have? What skills can your kid do? And in the age of AI, you need hands-on skills. AI job survival matrix. Look at this chart carefully. On one side, you have lawyers, radiologists, CPAs, coders, analytics. These were elite careers at one point. Now they're being compressed by AI models that work faster, cheaper, almost free, 24/7, and without ego, without breaks. On the other side, jobs that will survive, that require human judgment, creativity, physical world skills, hands-on skills, entrepreneurship, relationship-based work. Things like a plumber, a mechanic, a nurse, of forestry, even a forestry. AI can't climb on trees and cut trees. These are the skills that your kid needs, hands-on. College doesn't guarantee access to those. Freedom does, optionality does, capital does. Let me be very clear. College wasn't a scam. The dire need, it just expired. The need to have a 4-year degree just expired. And expired assets don't deserve new capital. Buying Bitcoin for your kid isn't anti-education, it's anti-obedience. You're not buying them a job. You're buying them knowledge and skills needed for the new Bitcoin AI era. You're buying them mobility, future options, time. This isn't about skipping learning. It's about refusing to destroy capital for outdated promises. The world changed. The math changed. And Bitcoin is changing the world. And parents who don't adapt will pay the highest price. The ones that adapt AI will survive, and the ones who don't will not. Thank you for watching Crypto and Beyond. Stay awake, stay free, stay you.